Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be recapping an experience that I thought I'd never get outside of the sim racing, which is drive a real race car. When I was in Las Vegas last week, we ended up going to dream racing at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway in what was a scorcher that day, 42 Celsius, 107 Fahrenheit. I could tell you, everything was on fire. With the fighter jets flying above as we arrive, the array of cars sitting out front, we make our way inside. Unfortunately, they didn't have the Porsche I reserved. It had a transmission issue, couldn't get past gear 2. So, they opted me into the Lamborghini Gallardo. Now, that was an experience I'll never forget, and I might have a new favorite car. With everything sorted, we head down to the pit lane to chill out and wait for Enzo, my instructor, to free up. Once he does, I grab the helmet, and we head to the car. We try to fit me in it with some adjustments. Once I do, my head's touching the ceiling, we get chatting, and then we get going. The videos you're going to see are going to be a lap after my 2 warm-up laps, and then 2 of my fastest laps, and then some telemetry data, and then finally my optimal lap. But that didn't come without errors, saves, and a spinout. Enjoy the recap, and take a look in the description for the full track experience if you wish. Now, let's get going.
Got any questions for me?
No.
Sweet. Ready to attack?
Yep, let's go.
Golden.
I was told I could test the brake here.
Yeah, get some more speed. Then hit. Nice.
Okay.
That's a really good pressure too. And again, if you feel uncomfortable over there, just let me know.
Actually, it feels pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yep. Once we get going, I'll probably not even feel it.
Good roll through the cones.
We're good. Muscle memory kicked in. This doesn't have a shifter. This guy, right?
Yeah, you're getting it.
The wifey was able to get a few videos, such as the video up ahead. This is going to be me entering lap 3. Corner ahead, I brake a little bit much. You can actually carry a lot more speed here, and you'll see my spin out here later on. Starting to pushed the limits a bit more and had to save again. That was a close one. On to my 2 fastest laps. Lap 7 is my fastest. Lap 8 was 6/100th of a second slower. slight counter steer to save the fastest lap. Everything was good. My 2 quickest laps out of the way, we get a little bit of interruption from another car coming onto the track. I do get a couple extra laps returned for this, which is nice, but now we're going to go into some bloopers and then my optimal lap. Here I screw up my shifting as I thought I hit the shifter. Then I go for it, and you can see my fingers double tap, and I kind of screw up my shifting quite badly there. So that kind of screwed up this lap. Now it's time for my spin out. After gaining some confidence over the last couple laps, I'm pushing it, and I end up making a mistake on the high speed corner. We end up spinning out, but it's all good.
Almost had it.
Almost. Ooh, that was fun.
A little bit of counter steering after pushing it hard through the first corner. And this is my final lap, which does get cut a little short as we go into the pit, but it had all my optimal times. It was looking like my fastest lap. Now, coming back into the pits, the biggest challenge awaits me, getting out of the car. Now, it was difficult to get in, but it was much more difficult to get out because I couldn't put my hands on places because everything was hot. So, it took me a minute or two. The video was cut short because the wife felt bad. Lap 6 and 7 with the telemetry data, which is lap 7 and 8 in the video, were my fastest laps. And then we had the last lap, which was looking really good, but unfortunately got cut short as we headed into the pits. My ideal lap was 55.49, which I've been able to stitch together using the circuit tools here. So let's check out what could have been. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did driving it, with me experimenting on laps, going over curbs, We ended up spinning out, late braking, getting on the gas a little bit early, and sometimes braking in wrong spots and screwing up our shifting. It's all part of learning, and that was the fun part. I managed to get an upgrade for no additional cost due to the Porsche having its transmission issue, so thank you Dream Racing for throwing me into the Gallardo, because it was fast as hell and it was fun as hell. Until then guys, stay safe on the track, and I'll see you later.